In 2023, metal decor items continue to be popular choices for home decor. Here are some metal decor items that you can consider for your home. 1. Metal wall art. Metal wall art pieces can add a modern and artistic touch to any room. Look for abstract designs, geometric patterns, or nature-inspired motifs. 2. Metal wall clocks. Opt for sleek and stylish metal wall clocks to add a functional yet decorative element to your walls. Choose from minimalist designs or vintage-inspired options. 3. Metal sculptures. Metal sculptures make striking focal points in any space. Consider abstract or figurative sculptures in various sizes and finishes to suit your style. 4. Metal planters. Add a touch of greenery to your home with metal planters. Look for planters with intricate cutout designs or metallic finishes to make a statement. 5. Metal mirrors. Metal framed mirrors can bring a touch of elegance to your home decor. Choose from simple and sleek designs or ornate frames for a more dramatic effect. 6. Metal candle holders. Illuminate your space with metal candle holders. Look for unique designs that cast interesting shadows when lit, creating an ambient atmosphere. 7. Metal bookends. Add a touch of organization and style to your bookshelf with metal bookends. Look for geometric shapes or intricate designs that reflect your personality. 8. Metal wall shelves. Metal wall shelves provide both storage and decorative opportunities. Look for minimalist floating shelves or industrial-inspired designs to display your favorite items. 9. Metal lamps. Metal lamps can add a touch of sophistication to your home lighting. Look for table lamps or floor lamps with metal bases or intricate metal shades. 10. Metal picture frames. Showcase your cherished memories with metal picture frames. Opt for sleek and modern designs or vintage-inspired frames with ornate details. Remember, trends may vary, and personal preferences play a significant role in choosing decor items for your home. Consider your overall style, color scheme, and the existing decor when selecting metal items to create a cohesive and visually appealing space.